Fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, welcome once more for this platform, the No Koni Talk Show, an advocacy platform where they advocate for policy the way it help for push the Ambazonian revolution, make it go smoothly, and make we reach for our destination in a timely manner. Once more, this one is just an impromptu presentation where I want to try for come like an activist for Update because my brother Tapang Ivor will be a little bit tied up, so I want to take this opportunity for Update about the operation the way it carried on yesterday for inside the Atlantic State, in particularly for Moyoka. So I will try to give you an update, and then I can get some small comments them and some follow-up feedback from some of my very beloved followers them, where they can tell me say baby journalists spend the whole time for begin talk about me. So I go address Eric Tato once and for all, and I no will ever waste my time for dwell on that petit gota level politics or argument on social media, because I believe say our people then deserve better with the gravity of the revolution and the magnitude of the challenges we'll get for ground zero, and my position as a command officer for the biggest force for Ambazonia. I don't really get time for begin to dwell on those petty issue them. But they don't hold my t-shirt when I know how they talk for quarter. They don't hold my t-shirt over for inside ADF. Man no talk, but I believe say I go talk once and for all for address Eric Tato once and for all. But first, me go play our national anthem. I go do very fast. I hope say this presentation will not go past 20 minutes, because now for Atlantic State. So I will start with our anthem. After that, I will salute Una. Then I will go straight for our presentation. For place on a day, when I stand at Talat, we will show respect for our national anthem and for our country and for the brave men and women the way they defend our national flag and protect our territorial integrity across the Ambazonian territory, from Ambas Bay to Funfuka to Buabua to Messager to Meselele. We all day together. For any play on a day for home and abroad, when I stand at Talat, we will sing our national anthem. From there, we will go for the song I welcome all now, and then we'll continue. We the Ambazonians pledge our loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us our freedom. Allegiance to the hero who bought this land with their blood. From glory to glory, we rise to never to fall. Here in a nation flowing with milk and honey. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. The watch night of our nation is the Most High God himself. So all man be welcome for this platform. I see Mambo Free, Abu Free, welcome for the house, and all man be welcome. For home and abroad, Ma Saluduna, welcome una for house today. So I want Saluduna Manu Pilo, welcome. Julius Stefan, welcome. Una all na welcome. Now time for me to salute all my Kunta Kintes, as I call na people they don't deny foreign name. William Samba, welcome. And I want to salute all man and welcome the people who go watch me later on. For to them salute, for tell una say Ambazonia picking them, all them for home and abroad, una place them day. Prince Senior, we welcome. I salute the people that for China, the great movement for China, where it be led by Amit. and Primus. I salute you and all the wonderful people them Natania for China owner. The people that for UAE, I salute you all. For Oman, I salute you for Belgium, I salute you for Congo, I salute you all. Amabo. It's a Lucas Day. My home, welcome. Mazi, welcome. Emeka, welcome. Omabi, welcome. And I'll be highly welcome. Today again, I just two things them. I go put baby journalist Eric Tato for a place once and for all. I go also talk about the update for this Atlantic state for Moyoka in particular. We don't get BBB battle them. We don't burn granite today fine. Yeah, so I change the date, not true.
Rendez-vous sur notre...
I change the date. Today na 25. Na boat festival today for Hong Kong. So all over Hong Kong they do Dragon Boat Festival, na a very popular Chinese tradition. And our people who are on holiday today, now why Rafi come today for the time. Now 7 a.m. for Alabu come. Now 7 a.m. for Kukwe, for Hawaii, for Moyojo, for Bois, for Tiko, for Kumba. Laurel, welcome. So today we'll get only two topics. The ambush will get for inside Moyoka and an address to Eric Tato. I go address it once and for all. Because I don't call my name. Every day to mom na Ayabacho Lucas, make it end. When I go tell you, say make it stop that nonsense. Some person nobody talk for you. I will talk for you today. Make it stop that nonsense. Because the day we will go meet up here. The day we will go meet up here. The day we want ADF. Remember go meet up in me no so get a national army. The day we and ADF go meet up in the go spanky. Put it for balançoire. Where nobody ever see him for your life.
Rendez-vous sur...
So ladies and gentlemen, all are welcome for this platform, the No Conny Talk platform. The one on an Ambazonian platform, on a nationalist platform with no Conny. We not make any Conny. Yes, Humphrey, I will put Eric Tato for a place today. But I'll address it very, very briefly, and that will be the last time I will do it. I will address it very well because he don't call my name over. I don't get like 3 of my advisors, they don't call me, they talk say my advisee. But our policy for the communication department, I say we will just leave it alone. Na person will be irrelevant. He already get that influence apart from social media. And a rule way they make them for disrupt, na a spoiler. But I will go today for go against the rule for the ADF and against the rule of the AGOVC for address it directly. Either about disturb my boss, the leader for our revolution, the executive president of the Ambazonian Governing Council, Dr. Cho Ayaba. And today I go address it directly. Either about begin use the name even for Seseko. Seseko no one hear a name. No man no one hear a name. No legitimate person no one hear a name. No clean person no one hear a name. So make it shut off a mob for place where they. Now big idiot, the biggest idiot for Ambazonia. As Bohebe the coin and Nyampuka. As a friend, he handbag carrier Mark Barata Bidan talk. Say he totem na Ngrombib. He so he behave the same like in Ngrombib they behave. Today I go put for a place and I go tell now exactly who Eric Tato be and why he do the thing the way they do it. But first, I want to go directly for my presentation for today. When an update for our operation with the Ambazonian Defense Forces then carry them yesterday the 24th of June for inside Moyoka. They carry a big operation for inside Moyoka. They get a running battle with La République du Cameroon for close to 9 hours. Our forces then for Moyoka, they intercept and they catch one La République du Cameroon, their army for inside Moyoka. Unfortunately, they not be go that army because La République come full out, then call reinforcement, then surround the whole area for Moyoka. Hold on. Israel, I'm online. Can you please use your mic? Don't speak too loudly, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, now me, Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Ambazonian FBI, Obasabi, two side collars, all the my name. So I want to go straight from my presentation today for do I'm very, very brief. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to give an Atlantic State briefing today for which we happened yesterday for inside Moyoka. And a specialized unit for the Ambazonia Defense Forces then lay ambush for La République du Cameroun their B. Then capture one alive. Due to the capture for that soldier alive, La République du Cameroun then quickly call reinforcement. Then come for them with 6 armored car them. Then successfully for take back the body for the soldier who will be catching for them because they never keep the soldier alive. The soldier will be neutralized because it will be a threat for them and their life will be threatened. Then neutralize it. So for Moyoka, they then get a serious battle for over 9 hours with one tank our soldier them. All man and go back for a base, or then they then find. The attack start for around 11:30. The ambush start for around 11:30 for Moyoka Day for around Mangaka towards Yoke. Now for the way the attack will take place, most of the attack around Black Bush for inside Makanga area day for corner Sansan Wata. Now for the way they will lay the ambush. For day you go for up for Bitter Leaf Quarter. Now for day we will lay the ambush. What general them for day they be very, very strong. We'll be very happy for see how this Atlantic State Dam they take shape, they get more and more action them. Now remember for the action will be taken for Meselele, the action will be taken for Utu. So Ambazonia Defense Forces will run day back and will be on track. Our revolution will be on track. So we'll be very, very happy for the track for the fighting way go on for day for Moyoka. Most of the people that they don't hear the capacity for our guns and way they for day. Now for tell when I say all una investment them for the Ambazonia Defense Forces them now they resort and that will the game for now. Will fight against La République, will fight them very well and La République they know we will be their true enemy. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to come back again now for address this man, this mad dog, this grumbit boy where they call it say Eric Tato. I hear say for a show yesterday, he spend his time begin call my name, begin to compare with me, say he know good English pass me. Some childish thing. So Eric Tato they spend his time for a show. Now my dad spend all his life for begin to talk about Dr. Chu Ayaba. So yesterday begin talk say he know English pass me. My own idea that would be a better person, a better activist say no English pass me. First of all, he no first know the English. That English way they talk and the British people they are country talk. I no one go for begin analyze the English. No be say I no fit analyze and because it be so childish. No be my level that. First of all, Muna go tell you. Say me you know begin compare yourself. Anytime you compare yourself with people them, you go see say some people them be higher than you, so one them be lower than you. I no go even get for that level for compare myself with ye, the Eric Tato, because that one alone be too childish beneath my level. Any man where he get canas way, Eric Tato na a canaless person. Na my way no get canas. Na my way get a small threat. You know we first follow my answer because they no first accept it. Person like he, me understand say man when a man pikin, he no need to compare himself with other people than for him to feel better about himself or for him to feel proud about himself. I be very proud for my contribution for the Ambazonia Revolution right from the beginning for Boya. When he be see the work and beg money for parliament for CPD and people them, I be already the support the struggle. I be one of the people already organize donation for help me the conference we be there for Boya me go end me go find. Now my initiative will be help for bring even the t-shirt we Mancho BBC well and the way we stand up. We done the work for our people. I done the do humanitarian action for our people then for a long time. That way we see the work I beg. So make you understand say I get a very good track record and not be a competition with anybody. I did do simply try to save my nation with the best way possible. I no come for this struggle for can't find work for AGC or for ADF. They want to appoint me for this position. I don't know why I really find a position. Me go make the application. But they not appoint me because I make application. Now because of my competence with Dr. Chu Ayaba and General Efang and the various structure then the CC I be very crucial for help the ADF. Now why that way they appoint me. I be a command officer while they command the whole Atlantic State. I supervise them and I be very, very crucial. My contribution will be seen by anybody, including for the AIG, the constitution for the country, the so-called Federal Republic of Ambazonia. The whole part about our traditional leaders. Now my idea, na me I institute them for the. Now me I bring the common law lawyers and me then join SCACUF. So I get that record. Now my record no be a competition between me and you. I don't talk because he don't try to challenge my competency. When it comes to communication, there is no competition. No be saying a competition, but there's no competition between me and he. Everything where they talk and I do bab. There is no content. Apart from say you go pay money for here, pay money for the Ola Republic or the help you giving news. There is nothing where they talk and where be valuable. Eric Tato is a ngongong head. He has nothing in his brain. As them talk say he told them na Ngrombib in the thinking. He think like Ngrombib, he work like Ngrombib, he act like Ngrombib. And what you want need for understand with Eric Tato, now say Eric Tato be one of the people the way they sell General Mba Ivo. He is involved in the assassination of General Mba Ivo. And the day where he go come for Ambazonia, we go catch him for Balanswa, he go talk through. We go sacrifice some, even if we know they. So long as the force they call and say ADF they exist, the day where he go come for defaming General Mba Ivo, for planning the assassination of General Mba Ivo, and for being part of the people the way they sell and kill General Mba Ivo, he go for Balanswa. Even if it means he will go against the law for the land and then end up for go prison, he go for Balanswa. I go tell now wait to way Eric Tato be. I will not waste time for Koshi. I not go waste time for Ansai, but I will tell now the thing where he hide is he try to hide them. Why he can make all that thing that he try to cover these facts. These are facts about him. He is an agent of La République du Cameroon sent to infiltrate this struggle and to derail this struggle. That is who he is. And I will tell you now exactly proofs. First of all, for the killing of General Ivo, Eric Tato, after they kill General Ivo, I come online. My first reaction will be a suspicion towards General Nambere. He will be aware of that. He send somebody, me the person contact me, give me the name for the commissioner of police. If you now look the video for the assassination for General Mba Ivo, when they be carry their body, bring up for some army camp, some big camp for day. Some one person be there for the way no be army, when a policeman, he carry some big walkie-talkie for a head. That policeman, Eric Tato be know he because now the policeman that way he be there for the now he give the intelligence for place where General Ivo be there before they go kill General Ivo. Eric Tato send some person, me can tell me that commissioner name. Also for tell me say that commissioner name be mentioned by General Nambere for inside video. That way General Nambere be the threat and say go can kill General Ivo with knife. If he say when he talks so I go connect that two line them and then I go just believe say General Nambere na he kill General Ivo because he know that commissioner when that commissioner help me then go kill General Ivo. But I call General Nambere during that period. I try to shock he for get some kind of information that for get reaction for no other be involved. General Nambere be very very clear with me. He admits say know that commissioner. Now one of the commissioner where they be helping moving for prison that way be arrested for numerous arrests the way that always get them for a life. And he explained for me all way to happen and I be believe it. And I actually say General Nambere for their video you promise you go kill General Ivo with knife. Wait to happen. He tell me say yes truly he be confess say he go kill General Ivo because he be the vex because of what will happen for Guzang. And he be no place General Ivo day. And he confessed for me say he give that name the location for General Ivo for somebody in the diaspora. He no ever tell me the person and I believe say he no want tell me because he no want get into trouble. And all evidence that shows say he be give that information for Eric Tato. Now Eric Tato passed that information for that commissioner because Eric Tato already get evidence say he know that commissioner. Now why did I be identify that commissioner even for a visual and for pass that information for somebody for give me fee say we go then focus our blame on Nambere. So we know very well say Eric Tato no be only either explain his will and his desire for assassinate General Ivo, but he will be involved, and this is 100% proof that he was connected to the assassination of General Ivo. So that one be 100% clear. Secondly, one of the things where he try to mask himself and for hide himself for behind. Now the fact say he friend where he carry handbag, Mark Barata, then publish Eric Tato a number, a Cameroon number, as a number where ye the Mark Barata get evidence. Say that number they provide intelligence against our soldiers on the ground for La République du Cameroon. Now Mark Barata publish him, not be me. Mark Barata publish him the time where he realized and say na Eric Tato a number that he go delete him. So those are evidence that Eric Tato they work with La République du Cameroon. He provide intelligence for La République du Cameroon. Number 3. The people the way Eric Tato use them, me they cut people their hand for miselele, then chop off. One of the woman why they used to call it name for my show, Mama Anastasia. They cut it 200 for miselele. Now me I pay a hospital bill. You get over 300 cases them for inside Meselele and Tiko alone, where they cut people their hand with that so-called Gary process. From our investigation, there is no force on the ground that is known that participated in those hand cut, those body dismemberment. Where it means say Eric Tato used na La République du Cameroon, their informants them when Anglophone them for do that job. He go answer who said those soldiers then the way he be use them for cut people their hand. Now evidence now way they tie Eric Tato directly with La République du Cameroon, undisputedly. So person where you want believe you believe. If Eric Tato you know be the work with La République du Cameroon, he rationnier for this struggle for that evolve for support either Seseko Ayoktabi or Dr. Cho Ayaba Lucas. Those are just some of the few things and way I go name them. I know we'll get enough time for begin talk so many plenty about it, but I don't want to talk about this one. At the first and the last time I will talk about it, I will let them begin to do my other thing because I've been very, very busy as a command officer for the ADF for manage things of Ground Zero. He's a pretender. He's pretending to be something he is not. If he pretend like say, now he be the person where he exposed Sako. The time where I exposed Sako, say Sako was a thief. Ye the Eric Tato be the call me names. Ye the Eric Tato be the deny. The time where I talk say Sako go to play na a prank for the United Nations Committee for Decentralization. Now ye the Eric Tato be come out for can cover up for Sako for tell the Ambazonian people then say I the lie, Sako be the talk na true. Ye be the main person where he introduce Sako for the Ambazonian people then. Now ye be the cover up for ye. Now only when I then expose Sako beyond recovery, where Sako then lost all contact for Ground Zero, where he begin to pretend now say he be against Sako with the only sole purpose for buy itself some capital again for start do is scamming for derail our people them. There is no time for all the money where Eric Tato ever collector for this struggle. Say they ever buy a single bullet, a single, and those are proof where La République du Cameroon, an undercover officer, an informant can never breach that rule. You can never buy a bullet or fight against La République du Cameroon. Those are proof. If there is a proof that he has bought one bullet, one, gonna prove it for me. So those things them and more, no one waste my time for deliberate them, but make una know for sure. Say Eric Tato na an agent of La République du Cameroon. He work with La République. Another one, then they like so many one don't even need to mention them. I been confronting about information say CPDM, Central Committee Senator them. They come visit for America. He admit them for me. They come visit for America. When I know say those type of people, they come with empty hand, they come with money. They come visit for America. The priest, the Catholic priest, who can visit Eric Tato. Now, one of the things is where the ADF need to address them. The Catholic Church is deeply embedded with the Cameroon government, including Cardinal Tumi. When I know Ellie Smith, when I give the Eric Tato the credibility for in front of Ambazonians, for even start listening for ye, the proppy up. Ellie Smith too and Cardinal Tumi, these are people who have been used by La République and they are regretting it today. Cardinal Tumi is regretting it today as I'm talking to you people. Those people came there to America to meet Eric Tato. I want to know the reason why. Newspaper, Cameroon government that always they offer career for people them for supply and career. They don't offer them for me around dinner. They don't offer them for me for as a way for getting out of Cameroon. No be say to work for La République, but as a way for getting out of Cameroon. Eric Tato, you open newspaper for registering for Nigeria. You cannot do that without the aid or acceptance from La République du Cameroon. It is impossible. Even Southern Cameroonians who are in Nigeria, it is not possible for them to register NGOs. So we know exactly what you are doing. We get people that are abroad. Where they don't live for abroad, they come for them a professional that will know their capacity for them to make money. You come for them, not be say we get some money for bank. Because when you come for America, you know we get place to stay. You live with Santos. Your first video they make an inside Santos, Dr. Nicolas Santos, his house. Nicolas Santos, where he proved to be an agent of La République. You make those videos in his house, you know we get place to stay. So you not talk so you get some capital for some place or some money for some place where man no be no. You come out for there, you go try a hand for Uber. Before La République can rescue you with the money them. You go try a hand for Uber. You know what? The average salary for Uber person for America now how much? How much be the average salary? There is so much evidence of your crime against humanity and your criminal activity that it will be so easy for La République to Cameroon to prove to the international community that you are a war criminal and they will arrest you in America. But they have not done that like they have done to Tapang Ivor and the rest of us. They have not done that to you. Whatever they want to do is just to blackmail, to pretend like they want to do something to you, but they have not done that to you. So Ambazonians, hear me and hear me very well. Forget about what I say. Go and check the content of what I'm telling you, if it is refutable or not. If you feel challenged, wait till I talk about Eric Tato, I will close my platform and I will go and sit down like a floor member and follow the Ambazonian revolution like anybody else. One of these things that I talk about, one, if any man feel challenge am, prove me wrong, I go close my Kono talk show. I go sit down for table for ground to look anybody like any person else. And I want to send this message for Eric Tato, a woman. That man no deserve you. He no deserve your lap dance. A criminal and a killer, a murderer of innocent people don't deserve your lap dance or a lap dance of any decent woman. Leave that criminal alone. Leave that Grumbit alone. He does not deserve you. This one, a person where he call people that will know for this struggle, when a decent women them as prostitute. Now person where Seseko no one even hear a name. He use Seseko name every day. Seseko no one hear a name. He use it for gain credibility. For take we go back for La Republique. In newspaper, a so-called newspaper, even for La Republique, Ambazonia and the way a journalist, they use the name Southern Cameroon. They use the proper appellation. The fact say they for America they, in the one use the proper appellation. Where even his friend Mark Barata, they use them for his own legitimate. Mark Barata get a legitimate news organization where they can create and register them. He use that name Ambazonia. If any man feel say you want wait for Siam, you be Thomas. When I begin wait the Siam. But the good news now say for Ground Zero, there is no force who can listen to Eric Tato. There is nobody listening to him. He does not have any force in Ground Zero apart from people that he pays to get information. We also know, say so if a relative be married to a ADF fighter, so that ADF fighter they give you information, will not care about that one. Will not go even telling me stop him. Me get all the information we want get them. For prosecute the revolution, not be a war for who get information, who no get, and not be a news competition. They don't try to reduce this revolution into something where you go make we look ridiculous in front of the international community. Now, why that way they do all the things the way they do them? Before anyone come to this revolution, we be done struggle, break the bond for Northwest and Southwest completely. Now he come back and re-inject them. Now he bring the so-called policy the way Sako use them today. Now he bring them back. Now he can turn this revolution into attacking francophones for attack us negatively. Now he can inject insult. Personal insult. Not be criticism. Personal insult. Whether he get money or he no get money, it doesn't bear any. It have no bearings to any reasonable person. And the people in Ground Zero, they know that. If it be fee say, then at that time in those days, where some people they feel say money means something. That time done pass. Even we like bush follower, they will be the camp for that place. Who money they for asking 7 million them can't chop them. You go money for Ground Zero now, they need to look like anything. People they eye down open. That era done pass. Now the first and the last time this was they address this Ngrombeef mob. This is not the first and the last time. He no be my level in any shape, in anything in life. He no be my level for anything in life. He was past Ekema. He's worse more than Ekema. Ekema, if I see Ekema, I feel vomit. But he the Eric Tato, he was past Ekema. He get blood for a hand for the people the way they don't cut their hand for Ground Zero. Then Ramba Ibo, his spirit will continue for hunting for place where they. Until he go can turn that a totem. Where that come on level for inside back where they land, that totem. He could transform into that totem before people that will know. And any man where they follow you, and where you be like Christian in particular, you should go and repent. You should go and repent. If you are a Christian and you are following that man, you should go and repent. I go level for the. We salute all our general for Ground Zero. I want to thank our commander them for inside Moyoka for the great job with the Randuam. And we will continue with our job for the Savannah states. And this palaver, I don't keep aside. I don't will ever talk am again. Because I think I don't do my job for Opo una Aimu una Sabi who this monster it be. This is a monster. The only two people ever talk about me about language. Where I know even first care about that. It's so childish. Somebody tell me say they compete with me about English language. First of all, I'm a proud pidgin speaker. I'm the professor. I'm the original professor of pidgin language. I will be the professor who will be giving professorships to people who speak pidgin. So if you are competing with me with English, like what does that even mean? That I know English past you, this one no English past you. Where he is the first talk the English. If he said it, he know how to talk English. This thing about funny me. My block some of those in La Republic agent the way they watch me now. When I need to understand, I say 70% of people they watch it now prop up people the way now either francophones. Man block this Ashley Wu. I don't tell you, I say this platform now for people the way they get critical mind. All La Republic their agent they go come for can support it. Then get how many agents the way they get them for inside La Republic where they open fake Facebook every day. I think given for La Republic say they don't succeed for make me be impossible for our regular people them to follow social media because they don't make the whole thing that and the whole plan that. But would see thank God say they even though as nya they don't make me be nya ma begin block some of those their agent every year. As nya where they don't make I be nya what people they see find way for listen for we they see get our messages they see come back and listen for one way or the other and they be so resilient. Yesterday we get a meeting, our weekly meeting with our coordinator of Ground Zero men. We need to see how determined our people then be for take this struggle to the finish line. If La Republic be say the key, our people them remove their drugs them for humiliate we go make a move stop. They never see anything. They play for play. Today we'll get more people the way they do one camp for recruitment. I mean more people they never ever fight before where they want join for fight. Anytime we then kill one man for one village, we get like 10 people the way they cancel couple one carry gun. We get like 10. So we wanna be rest and sure say we restore sanity and common sense back inside our revolution. So one guy, all our republic, una send people that they can travel. Una feel say that time wanna be the camp can make make caution by caution. It distract our people, they make our people they feel discouraged. No, that time that pass. Now who that I visit the my name for that, no visit the name for lock for blocky. So now my presentation now for today, and the Atlanta which I want to come for the Atlantic State would ask Unamona donate for ttof.net or contact Mama Wali. We need to provide those soldiers them with the granite them and the sticks the way they need them for fight for our liberation. So may God bless you now. May our revolution be short. May our independent for Amazonia it be free soon as possible with democracy and freedom of speech and all type of freedom the way our people they never get them for inside La Republic. May God bless you now.